This is Nematul Janat. I'm here from Borishal, and where I live, this is Shodor area, and I mean main city. So so many people think that from Borishal, the people of Borishal all are from village, that is village area. This is not their mistake. This is our fault. Most of the people. This is our fault who are from Borishal. We can't express we can't express our city. We are not serious to publish anything, any important information about our city Borishal. We have to be if there are a opportunity to tell to make people known about our city. The opportunity is Arifa model, and this Arifa model is theory of our respected Rajiv Ahmed sir. We all know that, and many people are not serious about Arifa model because they are not serious about their own not serious about one's city. But I am serious. Arifa model help us. Arifa model help us to represent about one's city. As like few days ago, I written something about some recipes, which is our city's special recipe, and many people yes, I written this post, informative post by following rules of Arifa model. But many people many people put comment that they didn't know about this recipe. For the first time they knew about that recipe, and they will try that recipe. So not only about recipe, our culture, the culture of the people of Borishal, our special the famous person in Borishal as like Hanif Shonket. Most of the people don't know that Hanif Shonket is from our Borishal city, and we have to make people known about our city, about road, culture, many things. So this is not any crime. So as a Bangladeshi people, we are from same country. We all are Bangladeshi, so we should keep in our mentality. We should be good mentality people, and we can make people known about one's city. So this is very important. And when I go to the profile of Arifa Khatun Apu, there I get a lot of informative information about different city, different village. It's like today I knew a lot of thing about the city of Rajshahi, Sylhet. I got very important information about Sylhet. I knew a lot of important information about the culture of Mymensingh. I went to Mymensingh, but I want to go there because that is my favorite one district, because my favorite writer was from that city. So I am telling about the famous writer Humayun Ahmed. He was from Mymensingh. We all know that. That's why I want to go that city. So I know that Arifa Khatun sister is also from Mymensingh, and I like her personality. I like the dedication of her for study and for her team from Mymensingh. So by following the guideline of Arifa model, which is theory of Honorable Rajiv Ahmed sir, I am regular in Arifa model. I write minimum one post. I write minimum 4 to 5 posts in a week. So I think that this model help us to gather gather knowledge about other district. This is a responsibility as a patriotist. So I am also patriotist. So as a patriotist, we have to be serious about Arifa model. So thank you so much. No more today. I think that this is midnight. So every people are studying, and so many people are sleeping. But I think in this Digital Skills for Bangladesh group, we all are reading and practicing, because our most of the people stay busy all day long. That's why this is the perfect time for us who don't get time in daytime. So thank you so much. Keep yourself serious in study. Allah Hafiz. Good night.